We know 2019 is the 150th year of the discovery of the periodic table, and so this year has been declared as International Year of the Discovery of the Periodic Table, that is IYPT 2019. In 1869, Dmitry Ivanovich Mendeleev discovered the periodic table, and he recognized as the father of the modern periodic table. Although Lothar Meyer also done in the 1868, but that was not recognized by the Society of Chemistry. But we know that periodic table is also very workful. Actually, Bouguer in the 1862 developed the periodic table telluric screw, and that was the first periodic table. Still, we will say Dmitry Ivanovich Mendeleev as the father of the modern periodic table. I, Asim Basak, teacher of chemistry, developed and designed this handmade, handwritten, hand-drawn periodic table, totally done by me without using any artificial device like computers or any other engineering tools. It is totally drawn by pen, color, pencil and scale. You see here the graph papers which are used. These are waste materials. After using the practical books, there are a lot of graph papers at the end of the practical exercise books. I collected all those and used. So I actually converted waste into wealth. Not only this, you also see the backside of the periodic table. In order to make it steady, I used many waste papers which are auto-gummed, and also the greetings card, marriage ceremony card, look this, used as the base. On this I pasted these graph papers and made this periodic table. Now this is innovative and unique periodic table. Why? Why it is innovative? We know periodic table is a chart for 118 elements. Those are placed in certain periods and groups. Here also I placed accordingly in the period and in the group. But now you see for hydrogen, here this is Bohr orbit drawn on these, and after unfold this we will get some information about this. In the year 1766 in England, Henry Cavendish discovered hydrogen, and hydrogen means water forming, so a glass of water is drawn here. Similarly, we will get the information about lithium. It is the alchemical symbol of lithium. Lithium, lithos, it is stone. In the Sweden, J.A. Arfvedson, in the year 1817, he discovered this. 6.94 is atomic mass and Li is the symbol. Similarly, if you go through the periodic table, you will see different elements first, and you have to uncover, and then you will get some information about that. It is for cobalt, this is for germanium, this is for fluorine. Here the picture of toothbrush and toothpaste, because fluoride toothpaste. And also that in France, Moisa in 1886 discovered fluorine, that is also mentioned. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, oxidation. 118 elements. Another uniqueness of this periodic table, Seaborg placed lanthanides and actinides, that is elements after lanthanum and elements after actinium in the D and A block respectively, but I placed them in the after lanthanum and after actinium. Actually, I made two books, one lanthanum books and one actinium books. All the elements after lanthanum are placed here, and similarly all the actinium are placed here, and that is the actual philosophy of the periodic table. But Seaborg placed them in another place. He rearranged, reconfigured the periodic table. Another uniqueness is also here that more and more elements will be discovered in future, synthetic elements, and so hypothetical future chemical elements. I kept places for that, and actually scientists are trying to synthesize 119, element number 119, having atomic number 119, UEE, unanium, that is ecofrancium, and is likely to be synthesized in the collider. And places are kept here for supertenites. Another uniqueness here, a brief history of the development of the periodic table is given here. A brief history of the periodic table is given here. On the date 17th February 1869, Mendeleev presented a periodic table for 63 elements. In the year 1870 to 71, helium, he predicted new elements, eka boron, eka silicon, eka aluminium, eka manganese, and that all has been discovered later on. And for that, Mendeleev is the father of the modern periodic table. Here you will get a brief discussion. All these pictures, all coloring are done by me using waste materials. It is handwritten and it is hand colored. No artificial agents used. It is eco-friendly. It is foldable, and here waste converted into wealth. This periodic table was inaugurated by Dr. Shobita Ladhe, head of chemistry department of Homi Bhabha Center for Education and Science Education and Research, a sister concern of Tata Institute of Fundamental Research in Mumbai. Dr. Ankush Gupta was also present there. Now take a glimpse of the periodic table, enjoy it. But why I made so? Actually, I am a science communicator, I am a science popularizer, mainly I am a chemistry popularizer. I want to motivate, I want to inspire our children so that they get motivated in higher learning of chemistry. This is my innovative, foldable, handmade periodic table. Thank you for watching and hearing my short discussion. Again, thank you.